Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Get ready to be swept off your feet as we embark on a stunning aerial journey over Scotland's most breathtaking castles. Imagine this, you're soaring high above ancient stone fortresses, perched on rugged cliffs and surrounded by lush, emerald green landscapes. The beauty of these castles is not just in their majestic architecture, but in the history they hold within their walls. First up, we have the iconic Eilean Donan Castle. Nestled on a small island where three lochs meet, it's like something straight out of a fairy tale. As the drone glides over the shimmering waters, you can almost feel the medieval spirit that once lived here. Picture knights in shining armor and royal banquets, all against the backdrop of the serene Scottish Highlands. Next, we swoop over the imposing Edinburgh Castle. Sitting atop Castle Rock, it dominates the skyline of Scotland's capital. The drone captures every angle, from the towering stone walls to the bustling city below. Edinburgh Castle has witnessed centuries of history, battles, and royal ceremonies. It's a symbol of Scotland's resilience and heritage. Then there's the mystical Dunrobin Castle. Its French-inspired architecture and beautifully manicured gardens are a sight to behold. As the drone drifts over the castle, you can see the intricate details and the stunning seafront views. Dunrobin Castle feels like a portal to another time, where elegance and charm reign supreme. And how can we forget Stirling Castle? Perched high on a hill, it offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The drone captures the grandeur of its great hall and the beauty of the Queen Anne Gardens. Stirling Castle was the childhood home of Mary, Queen of Scots, and stands as a testament to Scotland's royal legacy. Finally, we glide over the atmospheric ruins of Urquhart Castle, overlooking the mysterious Loch Ness. The drone's view showcases the dramatic landscape and the castle's storied past. You can almost hear the whispers of ancient legends and the call of the Scottish wild. So if you've ever dreamt of exploring Scotland's castles, this aerial adventure is the next best thing. Let the stunning drone footage transport you to a land of history, mystery, and timeless beauty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.